Let me ask you something. When was the last time you opened your fridge and really thought about what's inside? Maybe you've got some leftovers, a few veggies, and, if you're like a lot of people, a container or two of Greek yogurt tucked away on a shelf. But here's the thing, that humble cup of Greek yogurt might just be the secret weapon your muscles have been waiting for. Seriously, it's not just a snack. It could be your muscles' best friend, hiding in plain sight. I know it sounds a little wild, you're probably thinking, Greek yogurt? Really? But stick with me here. There's a lot more to this creamy treat than meets the eye. Let's break it down together. Sure, Greek yogurt looks great in those Instagram-worthy breakfast bowls, all decked out with fruit and granola. But it's not just about the aesthetics or the trendy food pics. Greek yogurt is a nutritional powerhouse, and it's time we give it the credit it deserves. First off, let's talk protein. Greek yogurt is absolutely loaded with it. Seriously, it's got way more protein than your average regular yogurt. While a typical cup of regular yogurt might give you about 5 grams of protein, Greek yogurt can pack in 15 to 20 grams per serving. That's 3 to 4 times as much. And if you're someone who's working out, trying to build muscle, or just looking to stay fuller for longer, that extra protein makes a huge difference. Here's why that matters. After you finish a tough workout, whether it's lifting weights, running, or even a long walk, your muscles are in recovery mode. They're looking for building blocks to repair and grow stronger. That's where protein comes in. It's the essential nutrient your muscles crave after exercise, helping to rebuild tiny muscle fibers and make them even more resilient. Greek yogurt delivers that protein in a convenient, delicious package. But there's more to the story than just protein. Greek yogurt is also rich in something called leucine. Now, leucine might sound like a fancy scientific term, but it's actually a superstar amino acid. Think of amino acids as the building blocks of protein, and leucine is one of the most important ones for muscle growth. When you eat foods high in leucine, like Greek yogurt, you're basically sending a signal to your body that says, "Hey, it's time to build more muscle." It's like flipping a switch that tells your body to get to work. In fact, you could say that every spoonful of Greek yogurt is like having a tiny coach cheering you on from the inside. It's encouraging your muscles to recover, rebuild, and grow stronger after every workout. And the best part? You don't have to be a professional athlete to benefit. Whether you're hitting the gym hard or just trying to stay active, Greek yogurt can help you reach your goals. But wait, there's even more. Greek yogurt isn't just about protein and muscle-building amino acids, it's also low in sugar, especially if you go for the plain, unsweetened kind. That means you're not getting a big sugar rush or crash, just steady, long-lasting energy. Plus, Greek yogurt is packed with calcium, which is crucial for keeping your bones strong and healthy. After all, strong muscles need a solid foundation, and that's exactly what calcium provides. Think about it, your muscles and bones work together every time you move, lift, or stretch. By fueling them with the right nutrients like the protein, leucine, and calcium in Greek yogurt, you're setting yourself up for better performance, faster recovery, and fewer injuries. It's a win-win for your whole body. And let's not forget how easy Greek yogurt is to fit into your routine. Whether you're grabbing a quick snack after the gym, packing it in your lunch for work, or just enjoying it while you relax at home, Greek yogurt is super convenient. No need to cook, prep, or plan ahead. Just open the container and dig in. It's the ultimate grab-and-go snack for busy people who still want to eat healthy. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about the taste? Maybe you've tried plain Greek yogurt before and found it a little too tangy or thick for your liking. Don't worry, there are so many ways to make it delicious. Try adding a handful of fresh berries for natural sweetness, a drizzle of honey for a touch of indulgence, or a sprinkle of nuts for crunch and extra healthy fats. You can even mix in a little cinnamon or vanilla extract for a flavor boost without any added sugar. Suddenly you've got a snack, or even a dessert, that feels totally decadent but is actually fueling your body with everything it needs to build muscle and stay strong. It's like having your cake and eating it too, except this cake is actually good for you. And if you're someone who likes to meal prep, Greek yogurt is a dream. You can portion it out for the week, add different toppings each day, and never get bored. It's endlessly customizable, so you can keep things interesting while still sticking to your nutrition goals. So what's the bottom line here? If you're serious about making gains, whether that means building muscle, losing fat, or just feeling your best, Greek yogurt is a no-brainer. It's affordable, easy to find, and packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Next time you're at the grocery store, take a stroll down the dairy aisle and check out the Greek yogurt section. There are so many options to choose from: plain, flavored, non-fat, full-fat, organic, and more. Pick the one that fits your taste and nutrition needs and toss a few containers in your cart. Your muscles will thank you every time you reach for a snack. To recap, Greek yogurt is high in protein, rich in muscle-building leucine, loaded with bone-strengthening calcium, low in sugar, and super convenient. Plus, it tastes amazing when you dress it up with your favorite toppings. It's basically the perfect food for anyone who wants to get stronger, healthier, and more energized. And the best part? Greek yogurt isn't just for bodybuilders or fitness fanatics, it's for everyone. Young, old, athletes, busy parents, students, and anyone who wants to take better care of their body. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in how you feel and perform every day. So the next time you're looking for a snack that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your muscles, reach for Greek yogurt. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Give it a try, and see just how much of a difference one little cup can make.